Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google search bar to your home screen on your Android phone or tablet. So as you can see, I have a Google search bar right here. And the benefit of this is directly from my home screen, I can select that Google search bar and I can search Google without having to open up my browser or anything like that. So to get started with adding the Google search bar to the home screen of our Android phone or tablet, all we need to do is first find an empty area of our home screen and long press that area until the menu comes up. Once the menu comes up, simply select widgets. And then in the list of widgets, we're going to scroll down until we find Google. And as you can see, there's Google right there. Now they have several different widgets. What we want to select is search. So go ahead and long press search. And then as you can see, it'll add the search bar and I can drag it to my desired location. Once I let go of it, it'll save it in that area. Now, if you want to change the size of it to make it a little wider or smaller, all you need to do is long press the widget. And then you'll see the little dots on each side of it. Simply drag those wider if you want it to be wider, or you can make it skinnier if you'd like as well. I'm going to make it as wide as the screen. And then to save that, just select off of it. So now on my home screen, I can select the Google search bar and I can search Google directly from my home screen. All right, so that's how you add a Google search bar to your home screen on an Android phone or tablet. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.